Hi guys, this is Xavier from the Butcher Box, and today I wanted to share a nice recipe with you. This is a brioche, and here we go. I've got my young son here today. He's gonna give me a hand, so we can do it at home. I'm sure you guys can do it too.
Don't forget, subscribe, leave a like and comment how the recipe works out. You can do this with family, on your own, with kids. Right, we're going to tell you all the ingredients you need. Starting with 500 grams of flour, 10 grams of salt, 30 grams of yeast, 5 eggs,
90 gram.
90 grams of sugar.
Yeah.
About 250 grams of butter.
Unsalted butter,
Unsalted. Yeah? And then you can get these mold from Morrison's, Tesco's, any shop, and just flexible.
Okay. And then what we also need, we need a mixer machine, yeah?
Yeah.
So we need a mixer machine. So what we're gonna start to do first? Flour?
Flour.
Okay, shall we go on for it, yeah? Alright, keep it there. So we just put the flour and the salt all at once, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it nice? Do you like it, Ella?
Yeah, just like that. We don't mix this yet.
We don't mix this yet, okay?
We're going to add the 5 eggs. Or
we're going to put 5 eggs first, yeah?
Yeah, 5 eggs.
Okay, cool. Alright, let's make the 5 eggs. Okay. And then, what is it? 90 gram?
90 grams of salt.
Caster sugar, yeah?
Caster sugar, even.
There you go.
And then
we're going to put the yeast as well, okay? So break it a little bit.
You want to break the yeast up if you don't have broken up yeast.
There you go. So, there you go. We good? There you go. So let's mix it. There you go.
You just want it on, we have a minimum setting, put it on minimum. But if you don't have this setting, put it on 1, slow as you can.
For how long? About 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
Okay. And then we're going to go on gear number 2 afterwards, yeah?
Yeah. We will see you in 10 minutes. What dough should look like after 5 minutes.
Okay. So we open a bit.
So we open it, it's
just been mixed.
Mixed.
On number 1, yeah?
Yeah, number 1.
And this is just before we add the butter, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So we get back on it. Ready? Go. The dough slightly. Okay, we need another 5, maybe 8 minutes. So you start to get elastic, and we want something a bit smooth. I'll show you a bit later, but you need to probably help the machine on this occasion. It all depends of your machine you're using. Okay?
Right, we have done the dough for 15 minutes and
on second gear, yeah.
On second gear.
So now let's show everybody.
This is plain flour though. We are using plain flour. We forgot to say.
So now you can see the texture of the dough. Look now. Look the trick. Look that trick. Look. When we do it, this is when you know when your dough is ready. Look, you can just do this, and you can see through it. Slightly warm the dough, is it? So we can take it out.
The dough should be slightly warm anyway.
Yeah. Shall we just take it all out?
The hook first.
Okay.
Right, take that out.
There you go. So your dough look like this. Okay. It's nice. It's elastic, and we're gonna fish it. And the thing is, when you take it, so you can start to see through it.
You can see my hand.
Yeah, and this is a trick of the brioche, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna bring it on the table just a little bit. Look, myself.
Put your sleeves up.
Yeah, important. So we've got a bit of flour on the table, plain flour, and then we're going to bring it back.
Can I?
Yeah, of course. There you go. Bring it back a little bit. That's it. That's great.
And over.
There you go. And what we're going to do, we're going to make this rest. And guys, if you look at your dough, there you go. It's a nice ball, is it, Jen?
Nice. You want a nice springy texture demonstration. It takes its shape back. It rises back.
Here we go, guys. We're back on. So an hour later, your dough has proven slightly. There you go. We've got it here. Just a little trick for you. I don't know, you probably can't see. Oven at the back is going to warm up, so it's going to help me to prove my dough. So, get your scale working, and you want to do some little ball of 50 gram each. So, cut it. By the way, scraper, fantastic. Find this online anywhere. 50 gram each, and that's going to create your little ball you need for the brioche later. I'm going to show you there, right here. You've got to have your table slightly just dry, no flour, and you've got to put it and make a nice here ball. Take both hands. So basically, come closer, is to put your hand like this. It's very good. And then you turn it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice here one there. There you go. So turn it. I turn it anti-clockwise, and then it's gotta take it. If you can't do it with your hand, don't worry. Just do one hand at a time. Okay, it's not a problem. And just to create a nice here shape. So the tin I've got here, I can put about 6, probably 10. There you go, 10 hair ball. Here we go. Put it on the top of it. Okay, so the top edge of the oven. We're gonna cook this 180, okay, for about 25 to 35 minutes. It all depends of your oven, but this is what you should get now. You gotta leave this. The oven was on to get it warm. I'm gonna put this not to cook them. Switch off the oven until that's proven. So that need to come about to the top. Okay, I'll show you at this time. But this is what you got. Okay, so I'll see you in a sec. There we go, guys. This is your last steps. Check out those beauty. Knee to the top, okay? Gotta be gentle. Egg wash, just an egg. Bit of salt in it. Trick. Tiny bit of water, warm water. There you go. Brush them gently, okay? And I'm gonna put this in the oven. Like I said earlier, depends of your oven. Make sure you've got it on right setting, 25-35 minutes, depending on the oven. Nice egg wash on the top of them, and then I shall see you on the other side with some beautiful brioche, and you can all guys try it. So thank you, and I'll see you later. Here we go, guys. 30 minutes later in the oven. Bam! Here we are. Nice brioche. I just put a knife into it, came back clean. We got a nice brioche for tomorrow, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you will come and see. Look who's joining us now. Now, there you go.
As what you know, this is going to be very hot, so leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to cool down. And don't forget, subscribe, leave a like, and comment. The patisserie box.
Thank you very much, guys.